This is Mimi. Welcome back to my channel, and this is day 5 of the 12 days of Christmas in July. And today's video is a free SVG video, and it's one of my favorites. I've used this SVG so many times, and it is from Barely Art Glue. Now, please, 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 please do yourself a favor and run. Do not walk to the Barely Art site and go look at their SVGs. If you've never been on their site and looked at their SVGs, what are you waiting for? There are so many. They are constantly coming out with new SVGs, and they have like 3D ones. They have cake toppers. They have so many SVGs. It's insane. And this happens to be one of my favorite. I've used it for cards, all kinds of things. Today we are making a gift tag out of it, and it is a little gnome, and he's holding a present. So let's get started. I decided to make a gift tag out of him. Look, there's so many little pieces of him. I cut everything out in one shot, just so we'd have everything. You can just layer them on up. It just gets layered. But yes, I cut everything out at one time. I'm still filming away. I'm just gonna plop some glue on here. If you've been watching my video series of the Christmas in July, you know that I have mentioned in my other videos that I have just been filming them all at one time. When I get a chance, I've just been knocking them out and filming and filming and filming. Well, I also cut a bunch of everything out with my Cricut when I got a chance. I die cut and did all that whenever I had a chance. So that was yesterday. So today we are just going to, hold on, there's somebody coming. Okay, so let me glue this hat on. It was a talk about storms. We have, I'm sure if you've never seen my videos before, you don't know this, but we have 2 dogs. We have a big dog. Right, Sassy, you're the big dog. She's laying on my floor. She keeps looking at me weird. We have a big dog named Sassy. She's a mix. We don't know what she is. We have suspicions of what she is. We have suspicions she is part pit bull, part terrier, because she literally has a pit bull head. It's so funny. But that is what our suspicions are of what she is. Right, I don't know. I don't think it matters. I think they're exactly alike. Let's make sure here. But she is deathly afraid of thunderstorms. Like, it's bad. It's bad. And we've tried everything. Well, finally we went to the vet and got a prescription for Xanax. So my dad came in because we're supposed to have storms all day today. So right now it's raining. She's even afraid of the rain. You're such a silly dog, aren't you? She's afraid of the rain. She's laying here. And then we have a dachshund, Sammy. Sammy ain't afraid of nothing. That's just too funny. It makes me laugh every time. That Sammy has no cares in the world. He's like, thunderstorm, Mommy crafting, that we have a problem with. Thunderstorm, we don't care about. Thunderstorms, we don't care about. Fireworks, we don't care about. Mom crafting, that's when we have a problem. He's being very quiet though right now because he got very much yelled at yesterday. Very much yelled at. Like I had had enough. I was very angry. Very angry. I had like 2 things I needed to finish, and he just would not leave me alone. I wasn't even filming. I was just trying to put something in trying to glue photo mats down in another project I'm working on, and he just would not stop. Okay, and now we have this present. We got the present. And how does it go? It goes like that. Okay. So this is the bow for the present that he will be holding. So we're going to put the present down. Yes. So anyway, don't sleep on Barely Art. Okay. Barely Art is like, they have so many good. I'm just looking for my weeding tool so I can poke out these little things. Barely Art has so many good things. So many good things. I have made so many great projects using Barely Art SVGs. They're so good. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to glue his little fingies onto the present first, and then we'll glue them onto his body. This is going to be a short one today. Yay, which kind of makes me happy because I'm really tired of having long videos. And we'll plop it about here. And then we need his nose, his nosy. His nose goes about right here, right? Ah, you're stuck to my hand. I need my quick stick. Here we go. We'll use my quick stick. Yes, so we have tried everything for poor Sassy. That's her name, Sassy. She's sassy. She's a sassy, sassy girl. She is. Her name lives up to her. She lives up to her name. She's such a little brat. But, so my dad was just coming to see because we're supposed to have thunderstorms all day. Yeah, I'm talking about you. Stop looking at me like that. We're supposed to have thunderstorms all day into the night. And if you don't catch her at the right time and you don't give her that Xanax at the right time, forget it. Forget it. You're screwed. Because she will not settle down. And we've tried everything. Okay. So we have this little guy here. And now we're going to take our hole punch. If I can... What did I do with my hole punch? It's not sitting there. Where is it? Oh. It got shoved to the top. Okay. We're just going to punch a little hole in his hat. See? A little hole in his hat. And I'm just going to take some of this ribbon because it was sitting here from another project. And we're going to cut it off. We're just going to wind it through. And tie it off. So for this gnome guy, I used scraps. For all of these projects that I cut out with my Cricut, for as many of them as I could, I used scraps. I really did. There is no need to use full sheets of paper. Okay, so now I'm just going to use my white gel pen. There's already, I like that it has cut out, giving you little highlights, but I'm still going to do little highlights over here on his shoe. Okay. And I think I'm going to do little just dots as on the present for wrapping paper. To make it look like wrapping paper. Here we go. And maybe still on. I think I need my white. I'm not I'm going to get like destroyed for this. The white jelly roll, not my favorite white pen. Let's see. But I think this one's dead. I prefer the Uniball Signo. I think it does a better job. Honestly. Yeah, I think it does a much better job. Yeah. Tell me, what's your favorite white gel pen? Tell me down in the comments. Because everybody swears by the jelly roll, and I just don't like it. But I do really love the black jelly roll. The black jelly roll is beautifully smooth. The white one, maybe I just have a junk one. Maybe I'll just buy another white one and see if this is just a junk one. But look how much I've used of my Uniball Signo, and I've never had a problem with it. But this one just, I feel, is junk. But the black one, love it. Anyway, so then on the back, you could stamp the to and the from, and you have yourself a nice little tag. And it was a free SVG, so you didn't pay for it. You use your Cricut to cut it out, and you could cut out so many at one time. Put on a 12 by 12 sheet of paper for each color and cut out a crap ton at one time. And you have a ton of different tags, a ton of different gnome tags ready to go. And if you're anything like me, when it comes to Christmas gifts, there are things that I do. I either wrap everybody's gift in the same wrapping paper. So like if everything for my son gets wrapped in like Star Wars, because he loves Star Wars, so he gets wrapped all in the same Star Wars paper. Then my boyfriend's gifts get wrapped all in the same, say, The Office. He'll get The Office paper. My dad will get a green plaid, because green's his favorite color. That way, Christmas morning comes, you know the green paper is all my dad's. So on and so forth. Lately, what I've been doing is tags. So, green for my dad. Blue for my son is his favorite color. Orange for my boyfriend. Purple for me. That way we all have our own colored tags. You could do this the same way. You could do this the same way. You do... Everybody gets, like, my mom loves gnomes. I could do all gnomes for all my mom's gifts. My son, whatever I could do for him. All that shape for him. So on and so forth. So... that'd be a great idea for you there. Okay, there you go. But isn't he adorable? He's freaking adorable. I love him, and he's free. Free. So there you go. Thanks for joining me today. Tell me down below, please, what is your favorite white gel pen? I need to know what brand you use, what works best for you, because like I said, the jelly roll just don't work for me. I don't like it. It's not as smooth as my Signo. I love my Signo. Thanks for joining me today. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you for day 6. I said this was day 5, right? I don't know what day it is anymore. I will see you for day 6 of the 12 days of Christmas in July. Have a great day, everybody.